Good morning, everyone. How are you today? It's Ms. Nurhan Muhammad from St. Joseph International School. Today we will discuss Unit 6 in Oxford, my friend Anak. First, we're going to start with the vocabulary as usual. We always start with the vocabulary. We have some animals today and we have some new vocabulary. The first word we have today is orangutan. 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 Again, let's repeat it again with us. Orangutan. Orangutan. Number 2, rainforest. 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 And in the last unit, in unit 5, we have taken rainforest but in another word, which is woods. We have taken it as a woods, but here it's a rainforest. And I have said before that they are the same word. The same word, they have the same meaning. So, number 1, orangutan, and the orangutan always lives in the rainforest. Okay? Number 3, we have teach. 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 طبعا teach is the job of the teacher. Teach is the job of the teacher. The teacher stands in the classroom and he teaches to the students. Okay, so again, number 1, orangutan. 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 Number 2, rainforest. 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 Number 3, teach. 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 Number 4, take care of. Take care of. Take care of. Take care of is when someone looks after someone else. Like your mother, when you are sick or you are ill, your mother looks after you. This is take care of. She gives you the medicine, she makes you soup, hot drinks, okay? So this is take care of. Again, from the beginning, number 1, orangutan. Orangutan. And it lives in rainforest. 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 Number 3, teach. 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 And teach is the job of the teacher. Teach is the job of the teacher. Number 4, take care of. Take care of. Take care of. And we said that take care of is when someone looks after you. When you are sick or you're ill or you need help, this is take care of. Let's continue. The first word we have here, number 5, miss. 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 Not miss as a teacher. Not miss Nurhan, Miss. No. Miss here means when you miss someone, when you want to see someone, when you want to talk to someone, when you have been long time didn't see your best friend, for example. So this is the word miss. 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 Number 6, take a nap. Okay, what is the difference between take a nap and sleep? Take a nap is that when we want to sleep in the middle of the day, not at the night. Again, take a nap is when we want to sleep in the middle of the day, not at the night, because when we sleep in the night, this is the word sleep. But take a nap, it's when we want to take a rest in the middle of the day. Okay? Number 7, light. 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 Number 8, dark. 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 Right. What is the difference between dark and light? Light when the sun in the sky. Light when the sun in the sky. But dark when the moon in the sky. Or when the sun starts to go down. When the sun is not in the sky, this is dark. But light when the sun in the middle of the sky. Okay? Again, number 5, miss, when you want to see someone. When you miss someone, this is the word miss. Number 6, take a nap, when we want to take a rest in the middle of the day, not at the night. In the middle of the day, not in the night. Number 7, light, when the sun in the sky. When the sun in the sky. But dark, when the moon in the sky. Or when the sun is not in the sky. Let's continue. Morning. Now we have to know the difference between times of the day. We have 4 words: morning, midday, afternoon, and evening. What is the difference between these words? Let's find out. In number 1, morning, when the sun starts to rise. Again, morning, when I say good morning, morning, when the sun starts to rise from the east. When the sun starts to rise from the east. But midday, when the sun in the middle of the sky, and it's about 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Again, morning, when the sun starts to rise up from the east, and it's about 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. Okay? But midday, the middle of the day, when the sun in the middle of the sky. When the sun in the middle of the sky. This is about 12 p.m. What about afternoon? Afternoon, when the sun starts to move to the right. Again, when the sun starts to move, not ends, starts to move, and it will be about 2 or 3 p.m. Again, from the beginning. Morning, when the sun starts to rise from the east. Morning, when the sun starts to rise from the east. And it's about from 6 or 7 a.m. But what about midday? Midday, when the sun in the middle of the sky. Midday, when the sun in the middle of the sky. And it's about 12 p.m. Number 11, afternoon, when the sun starts to move. When the sun starts to move. And it's about 2 or 3 p.m. What about evening? Evening, when the sun starts to goes down. Again, when the sun starts to goes down. And it's about 5 or 6 p.m. It's about 5 or 6 p.m. Again, the different times of the day. We have morning, midday, afternoon, evening. Morning, when the sun starts to rise from the east. And it's about, what time did we say? From 6 to 7 a.m. Midday, when the sun in the middle of the sky. When the sun in the middle of the sky. And the time will be 12 p.m. Afternoon, when the sun starts to move. When the sun starts to move. And it will be about 2 or 3 p.m. Number 12, evening. Evening, when the sun starts to goes down. Again, when the sun starts to go down. And it will be 5 or 6 p.m. Okay, guys? These are the most important vocabulary of this unit. Now, let's move to the grammar. In this unit, we have two question words. What and who. What and who. In this video, we're going to revise all the W questions that we have taken from the beginning of this term. So let's listen to it, and then we're going to come back to explain the lesson of this grammar in detail.
Question words. Look at the following sentences. Who is your teacher? Where do you stay? How will you go home? All these sentences are question sentences. Question sentences start with special words called question words and end with a question mark. Different question words are used to ask different types of questions. For example, who is used to ask about people. Who is going to school? The girl. Where is used to ask about places. Where does the fish swim? In water. How is used to ask about descriptions or manner of doing something. How will you go home? By car. Let us study some more question words. What are you going to buy? Toys. What is used to ask about objects? When do you eat dinner? At night. When is used to ask about time? Why are you eating food? Because I'm hungry. Why is used to ask about reasons.
As we listen in this video, there are too many WH questions, but the most important three that I want you to know are where, what, and who. We have discussed where in the last unit, in Unit 5. In this unit, we're going to discuss what and who questions. We have to know the difference between what and who. As we can see here, what asks about objects or something. Objects or something. Something doesn't have a soul or doesn't have a mind, like animals, things like cat, dog, fan, table, dress, scarf, school, classroom, bag, pencil case, ruler. All of these things are يا إما animals يا إما something that we can use. So to ask about these somethings or objects, we use the word what. What. W-H-A-T. طيب. What about who? Who asks about a person, a human being, like mother, father, brother, sister, grandpa, grandma, and so on. Your best friend, your teacher, your classroom mate, your friend, okay? So, again, we have to know the difference between what and who. What and who. What, W-H-A-T, asks about something or animals. The objects. Something doesn't have a mind. It can't think. بتقدرش تفكر. Okay? Like animals like cat, dog, crocodile, frog, squirrel, honeybee, dog, gorilla, orangutan as we have taken in this unit, and so on. And some things or objects like pencil case, bag, school, classroom, fan, carpenter, carpet, table, chair. All these things are something. Doesn't have mind, okay? So we use the word what to ask about these things. But when we ask about someone or a person, we use the word who. 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 W-H-O. Who. And we have said before that with any singular noun, we use is or are. Of course, we're going to use is. And with the plural, we use are. So when we make a question, هنقول who is this? Or what is this? And with the plural, what are these? And the plural with the person, what Who are they? Remember that with something, not human, not person, we use with the plural are these. Are these? What are these? But with a person, who are they? We use the pronoun they. Let's take some exercise. Choose the correct answer. In number 1, who, what or who is this? It's a dog. Okay, focus and give me your attention. It's a dog. Is a dog a person? No. Is it something? Yes. Why? Because it's an animal. It doesn't have a mind. So, and we have said that which word we use to ask about something? Who or what? What? So we choose what is this? It's a dog. We use what to ask about something or animals. Again, we use what to ask about something or animals. Number 2, who or what is this? It's my mother. My mother. My mother, the animal? No. Something I can use like a pen or a ruler? No. Is it a person? Yes. So, it's a person. It has mind. عندها مخ تقدر تفكر. So, mother is a person. So we use who ولا what to ask about her? We use who, W-H-O. Because we use the word who or the W question who when we want to ask about a person. A person. Okay, what about something? We use the word what. Okay, who or what are they? They are my cousins. My cousins, are they animals? No. Are they something we can use like a pencil or a bag or a table or a chair? No. They are person, human beings. So we use the word who or what to ask about them? We use the word who. Look here, I have written who are they? They. We use the pronoun they when we ask about a person with the who. So I use who are they. But with the something or animals, I use these. These, T-H-E-S-E. But they with the persons. Okay, guys? Be careful with this note. So, my cousins, they are persons. So, I use the word who to ask about them. Number 4. What or who are these? Look at these. They are pens. Pens is a something or something we can use. So I use what or who to ask about them. We use the word what. What. Okay. And look here. We have the word are these. I use these to ask about something. But in number 3, I used they to ask about a person. Okay, guys? Again, in this unit, I have to discuss the grammar who and what questions. We have said that who, I use who to ask about a person. To ask about a person. طيب. If it's singular, if I am asking about one person, هقول who is this. طيب. What if I ask about a plural or more than one person? I use they. Who are they? Who are they? Okay, this is a person. When we want to ask about something or an animal, I use the word what. Okay, if it's singular, I use what is this? What is this? But in the plural, with the plural subjects or the plural objects, I use what are these? These. Okay, with the something, with the animals, with objects, something doesn't have a mind. So again, the last note that I use who to ask about a person, I use what to ask about something. طيب. With the plural, with who, I ask about who are they. But with the what, I use these. Who, what are these? Okay, this is our session. We have ended our session today. I hope you understood this grammar rule. I'm going to see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.